Now mark 1 centimeter and this way. Then draw the line through these points in this way. Then fold through these lines. In this way, fold through these all points. In this way, fold through all these points so that you can easily fold it. In this way, mark the heart shape. Then apply the Fevicol in this part. In this way, apply all the hoods in this. In this way, paste all the hoods. Then take a sheet and cut a thin strip of this size. Then take the waterfall card you made. Then place it like this and pass this strip from both these ends. And paste the strip in this way. Then cut from here and give it a V shape. In this way, give it a V shape. Now our waterfall card is ready.